Hey guys, it's vikishub-diys here. So I currently hit 2,000 subscribers and I was so excited and so happy. So I wanted to do a giveaway as a result. But more than that, I want to be able to connect with my subscribers, like just get to interact and know about you guys a little bit. So and for the giveaway, I'm doing a giveaway on one of the vikishub-diys t-shirt. I'm gonna pop it up right on the screen so that you can see which one in particular, and it's in size medium. So even if you wear a size small, I think you don't have to worry so much, because you can have an oversized t-shirt kind of look, and you can always pair it with like a fitted leggings or a pencil skirt, or a jean pant or denim pant, I think. Yeah, and that's that. It all goes. So, and another thing is, I'll be reaching out to several person that is chosen. I'll be reaching out personally so that I can ship it to you. And another thing is, I'll be requesting you to make, whichever person that is chosen, I'll be requesting you to make a short clip or a snapshot, at your convenience, so that I can upload it in my upcoming video, my next video, just to do a kind of shout out kind of thing. So all you have to do to participate is you have to comment. More than, first of all, you have to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, obviously, and you have to comment. So you don't necessarily have to comment on this particular video. You can comment on any of Vicky's Hub DIY videos, and feel free to criticize a lot or to encourage, whichever way that you feel. So you can also comment like reviewing the channel in general, like just comment whatever you feel like. And I'll be announcing or choosing a winner in my next video, in my upcoming video. So I make videos every week, like once every week or once every 10 days at least. So, or I'll be leaving, I'll be putting up a particular date. I'll be choosing a winner, which is the particular day I'll be uploading my next video in this particular, in the description. See, and finally, I'm sorry, I'll only be able to ship within India to my subscribers within India. So I'm sure in the subsequent future I'll be able to ship internationally. So that's that. Let's get into the DIY video.